In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of the date and the author name on the blog post pages in Shopify Dawn theme. And as usual, let's change the color of both elements to red. So first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then select Align Store. Now look for Dawn theme and then select Customize. Once the editor loads at the very top, click on drop down menu, then select Blog Post, Default Blog Post. Then on the left under Template, click on Blog Post, and then expand the Custom CSS section. We'll be adding the Custom CSS right here, but first let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the date. Let me right click on it, then select Inspect. Okay, let's take a look. To change the color of the date, we'll target two class selectors, circle divider, and the caption with letter spacing, which are nested within the header container. And to change the color of the author name, the class selector we'll target is caption with letter spacing, followed by the span tag. Now let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule. Type header, space, period, circle, dash, divider, period, caption, dash, width, dash, letter, dash, spacing. Now open left and right curly braces, place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line, type color, colon, then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Let me get the hex code for the red color. Make sure to copy the hex code, including the hashtag. Now let's go back to the editor. Let's paste it right here. Not the semicolon at the end. Okay, let's take a look at the preview. As you can see, the data is now red color. Now let's change the color of the author name. For that, I'll add some space underneath. Type the following rule. Type header, space, period, caption, dash, width, dash, letter, dash, spacing, space, span. Now open left and right curly braces. Place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line, type color, colon. Let me reuse the same hex code. Let me copy it, then paste it right here. Now the semicolon at the end. Once you add this rule, click on Save. Now let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the blog post page. As you can see, the blog post date and the author name are now red color, and this change will be reflected on the other blog post pages. Let's take a look at our blog post. Let's open this one. Yeah, here's the change. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.